Good morning, YouTube. Today we have some pretty exciting news. Well, exciting for me, kind of, maybe not so exciting for you. It's like good and bad. So let's just see how you guys take it. So today, I'm selling my BMW. Yeah, I'm selling it. I know all you guys are crying right now. And I know you guys are probably thinking, Brandon, you just bagged your car. You just did all this work and these great videos. If you haven't seen them, definitely go check them out. Working on 890. Why are you selling your car? You know? And the truth is, I don't know why. No, I'm kidding. I'm actually looking at another car. It's actually been a car I've been wanting to get for a while. I don't want to spoil it yet because, you know, I hate spoilers. So I'm going to be waiting until I get it. But today I actually have a guy coming to look at the car, and honestly, I hope he takes it. I decided to sell everything as a package. So the steering wheel, the new wheels, everything I spent so much hard-earned cash on, I'm putting together in a car. So it's actually a pretty good steal for whoever is buying this car, even if this guy doesn't come get it. Forgive the garage, it's kind of messy. We're doing some renovations in the back, but I'm taking out the OEM parts right now so I can like throw them into the car or have them ready for when the guy comes. I kind of put some other things in the trunk already, but I cleaned out the car of all my belongings, put like some paperwork in there. Like, the car is ready to go for sale right now. He actually asked me to not start the car before he gets here. He's big on, you know, oh, I might have like a wastegate rattle, but I know I don't have a wastegate rattle. I know my car is in tip-top shape. So I'm like, you know what? If that's what you want, man, no problem. And I don't want you guys to worry. I'm still gonna be making car videos weekly. I'm still trying to do weekly. Hopefully I can get this new car within a week. Honestly, it just comes down to me finding the right car I want. I have the money to buy it. I just got to figure out if this car is going to be right for me or the next car is going to be right for me. So yeah, we're just going to keep you guys posted on that. But enough of me talking. I'm going to set the camera down, put some more things in the car, and just get some more things out. This guy should actually be here in like 20-25 minutes, maybe 30 tops. So I'm probably not gonna have the camera out too much in his face. I don't want to like bombard the dude with like me recording everything. But I'll try to sneak in some video, you know, here and there while he's talking to me, and like hopefully when he drives away with the car. Okay guys, just running in my house to actually get like the title, and then I think like 1 or 2 other things in my room that I have laying around for the car. Seems like this guy's gonna buy it. He's like, listen, I came cash ready. He loves the car, so keep you guys updated. Okay, casually heading upstairs again. He bought it. BMW is sold. All right, so I'm giving him also the stock steering wheel and a couple more of these hub-centric adapter things that are in this package. Oh, I'm gonna miss this. Oh damn, that's a really clean. I low-key want it back right now. And just like that, it is sold. Honestly, I really have mixed feelings about it, because I mean, I know I did that decision like kind of like just like out of nowhere. Like, oh, you know, I'm gonna sell the car, and I didn't get much thought into it, but like I'm gonna definitely miss that car because I feel like that was definitely one of the cleanest cars I built. It wasn't like too much camber, not too much customization. It was just like, you know, boom, nice, simple, sleek, you know, got the job done. But this was just like a quick little video. Make sure you guys definitely like and subscribe, because don't forget, I got more content coming soon. Have a new car on the way, and I'm in my feels right now, so I need to go. I'm in my feelings. But yeah, definitely like, subscribe. See you guys in the next video with my new car.